Hey guys, what's happening? How to pay Dubai traffic fines in installments. You can pay Dubai traffic fines in installments by using specific bank credit cards like Fab Bank for interest-free plans or payment apps like Tabby or Tamara for federal fines. With larger fines like 5,000 plus, potentially eligible for installment plans through Dubai Police or RTA, requiring an initial down payment. So, uh, also make sure to check the Ministry of Interior app or website for Dubai Police app for um, options or visit the RTA centers or branches, right? Also, you can use Tabby or Tamara as we mentioned before, so you can pay federal fines and fees by paying the full amount upfront to the entity, then repaying Tabby in installment, right? So kind of buy now, pay later. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.